It's me. That's true. And nothing. It's me. It's that turn. Holly, tired, you late. And not seen it. I felt it. I'm up here. Right there. You know, and Eric. And Theodore. More than a boat. Yeah, we're good. Hey, yeah, take one. Listen, yeah. You're going to get in the boat. Yeah. Here's a pink one. Yay. It's different. Let's go. Yeah. Yes, that's an extreme. Okay. That's extreme. That's an extreme. That's extreme. Yeah. There's a people everywhere. And drinks and license. Gotta go. Come on, go. No, no. Pink. Pink. There's a lot of pink markers and chocolates and very place. It's nice. Oh, forget. The pink one. The pink one. got pink. They got pink. They got pink for the girl's pink. Yeah. The girl's pink. Yeah.
Are they working? Working order? Operating.
Okay, hold on.
Thank you, man. You and I are friends. There you go. I'll remember that, too. Believe me. You guys ready to go?
All right, so we're gonna be taking a boat ride on the San Antonio River. Enjoy. I'm not gonna see too much because the captain drive you over the boat.
Okay. Really good. Oh, sorry. They got
I just feel it. Now you can hear me. Okay, I promise that I'm going to keep you well informed, but I have to have the rest to keep you safe. So please remain seated throughout our tour. Dog's body parts as well inside my wooden rail. All noses and mouths must be shielded for masks at all times. I'm not real, I just get the message. Thank you for not smoking or vaping. And in the unlikely event we start back on water, we do have quotation about myself and everybody that took my picture. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that. Rest of you, jump around, then stand up, walk out of San Antonio River. Whenever the river is full to the deep. Is everybody still ready to go? This is the lagoon at the Chocolate River Center. Several hundred miles of San Antonio. And brings the 10 feet of dining, entertainment, and credit card exercising
There he
locations.
goes. That one. You see the orange one?
About 100 shops. A couple movie theaters that aren't reopened yet.
Hey, bud.
Come out of there, we're going to pass some fruit trees.
Oh, life's so bad.
Directly ahead of us. That is an orange tree. Some of the oranges that are lush. When she first came on the shift today, Drake and Mildred, my duck friends, were actually in that tree trying to pick those oranges. Not only is it illegal, they didn't have anybody carry them.
Is that Trevor?
Carry an orange and wing it.
Orange nuts.
That's the first
The people say yeah.
This is a lemon tree. Biggest lemon thing I've ever seen. They're about the size of baseballs. They're about 6 weeks to be fully ripe. For millennia, this area was known as California, the place of pure peaceful water. They don't have to be known as San Antonio. Well, there's another one on the side of the wild around an educational experience. We come out from under this pedestrian bridge. If you look up on the riverside off level, you'll see an 8-foot tall bronze statue of St. Anthony the Padua. 12th century Portuguese saint. Feast day is on June the 13th, 1691, the Father Damien celebrated the first Mass in this area. Because June the 13th is the feast day of San Antonio de Padua, we've been known as San Antonio ever since.
Me too. Yep.
To our port forward, the beautiful Hilton Palacio Del Rio Hotel, 500-room hotel in celebration of the 1968 World's Fair. That is the historic building. You see, the original contractor is called Bancroft. Within a year, the opening day of the World's Fair, construction had not begun on that new building. Conrad Hilton one of those rooms San Antonio needed, so they went looking for someone to build a huge building in an even bigger hurry. The HP Zachary Company, a local construction firm, set to build it for you. Not only that, we'll have it ready in time for the World's Fair, but if we don't, you pay us $1 and we'll be absolutely even. Conrad Hilton knew a good thing when he heard it, gave the contract August 1967. The HP Tractor Company came on site and started building the first 4 floors. There's no other shaft. At the same time, about 7.5 miles south of San Antonio, there's construction yard set up before the concrete was poured in there. The concrete crew that moved the floor from there to the roof. They painted those rooms, put carpet down, beds and carpet, sheets on the bed, vents on the pillows, all on the wall, lamps on the nightstand, lights on the lamp, ready to go with these facilities. Back then, facilities were not sized to do it. So nevertheless, they filled up those rooms, put them on a flatbed truck, and brought them up here, and over the next 42 days, they helped them train. Panel back to the exactly what they They completed the Blast Hill Del Rio Hotel in 202 working days, start to finish. First modular building in the history of the world, and according to Guinness Book of World Records, the largest building built in the shortest amount of time.
After people,
The exact company mentioned that building opened on April 4th, 1968. The World Fair opened on April 6th, 1968. The deadline was
that's my too. No, not that too. Son of a.
That got old quickly, so I asked him, I said, look, when I go out to eat, I eat and I pay when I don't eat. You guys eat, never pay, you keep eating. How do you do that? Both of them looked at me kind of done and said, we don't pay. We just don't do
Oh no, it's windy outside. It's windy, it's killing us.
Each day this fast
It's
makes history.
drawing
No
hard.
idea how long the market building would last.
Just looking at that, check out and watch that fucking skin.
This is the second of our 3 docks.
Something very hot.
Canada's Wadi to the little village in 1722 with San Antonio organizing a a Native American gathering spot for thinkers.
We know.
This exhibition was German and French settled
Rainbow.
See their influence, the architects are there. During the siege of Alamo, Santa Ana had a cannon line around the
Rainbow. That's fun. No, that is.
Yes. It includes the Arlington River Theater, an 800-seat amphitheater. Stage on the right. Administration. As we go around the side of the stage, if you look behind the stage, you're going to see 5 bells, one for each of the missions that make up the World Heritage Site here in San Antonio. The World Heritage Site in Texas, one of 23 in the nation. Ribbon Hill was dedicated to Robert Hepburn. He was 27 when he started going fast in the park in 1980. He recognized the genius.
I don't say, I don't say, it's all good. I don't say a word. And orange. I'm sorry.
We're literally thousands of running around, had to go out, got up and hurt people. Suddenly you're in the cow business. I think you have to spend the next several months walking behind those animals. The beautiful Art Deco building in front of it is the Briscoe Western Art Museum. That building opened in 1930 as the second home to the public library. The library moved down the street in 68. Then the Hurstburg Circus Museum moved in. They were there for about 2002, and the Bristol opened in 2013. Named in honor of the late Governor Dawson, First Lady San Antonio is home to 4 of the few remaining cast iron bridges in the nation. We get to go onto this one here at 2nd Street, the cast iron Rosetta Bridge. This bridge was built in 1890 Berlin, Connecticut. Berlin Bridge Company.
Oh, sorry.
And that Farmer Damien Massenet celebrates the first Master. June 13, 1691. And here on our starboard, you can see the sculpture on this little island. That is the place that occurred. That's Massanet Island, the sculpture of Massanet Stable. That beautiful Parsec Island is also referred to as Marriage Island. We have about 300 weddings a year that take place there. And instead of being married on Marriage Island, there's a market reunion. I have one friend that's gone there 4 different times on that particular island. Now we're around San Antonio saying, remember the alimony. This Water Street Bridge goes part of the San Antonio River known as the Old Mill Crossing. For years, it was the widest and the shallowest part of the San Antonio River, so it was the most easily to ford. When Teddy Roosevelt and the Rough Riders were here training for the Spanish American War, they frequently crossed the San Antonio River at the Old Mill Crossing. Fort Forward, that beautiful red sandstone building, onion dome tower, the Bexar County Courthouse, opened in 1897, and from that day to this, it's been the seat of all justice for the people of Bexar County. It stands on the main plaza, the original town square of San Antonio. Also on the main plaza is San Fernando Cathedral, whose cornerstone was laid in 1738. To our left, on Fifth Side, 902 feet to the base of that flagpole, 30-story tall, Dale got the concept of the Tower Light Building. When it was being constructed in the 20s, it was known as the Smith Young Building. The builders, they wanted protection against bad luck and against bad business, so they put gargoyles around the top 2 tiers that occupied the same tower. From 10 between the first and second stories here on our left. That cost $3 million. This building opened on June 1st, 1929. Just in time, 5 months later, we stopped like that. So much for good luck. The village were overextended in building this building for other investments, went bankrupt, could not pay the taxes when they came due. Therefore, this building sold at auction shortly thereafter for those back taxes and brought in about 10 cents on the dollar. Not exactly what invested in anybody. We come out from under the St. Mary's Street Bridge on the right. International Center. That's all for Canada, next door to the United States, as well as in San Antonio. Business Bureau. Also a restaurant that I go to downstairs. That's not the one that they the real arena. Before we come to Hotel, I have to make sure that everybody's coming in as we're going out. And I also have to announce our exit from the horseshoe section of San Antonio River. But that gives you a chance to look back on the shoulder and notice that the Tower Light Building on the mark realization here setting sun into the river. That was by design, and that the builders expected their future to be as bright as the past they left behind. At the end of that story, they went bankrupt, lost the building and the rest of their fortune in the tax auction. Because of those unfortunate events, it is now rumored that the Tower Light Building may in fact be haunted. Some folks have reported, having listened very carefully, actually being able to hear the sound of a shell horn. Oh, heard that, right? Yeah, I hate to be the only one hearing things. Just... Oh, heard that, right? Yeah, I hate to be the only one hearing things. Just early in the afternoon. That's probably the rest of the day when that happens. Coming in at the Buck and Choke Channel, the Buck and Choke Lock number 4. We're in a flood situation. That lock will come up from the bottom of the river to protect downtown San Antonio. As we turn north into the Buck and Choke Channel, we'll look south about 200 yards to see a red and green light that pops up the Choke Down number 5. At the Choke Channel, the Buck and Choke Gate, the Buck and Choke Down, all built in response to 1921 flood. Our flood reached 8 feet above the street level by 45 feet from where we are right now. Since these flood control measures have been put in place, San Antonio was not suffered from another devastating flood. We can't turn left and go over flood control left because it's a 15-foot drop from this part of the river to the next part of the river. And my supervisors have absolutely no sense of adventure. So you're all cool enough? You need me to turn up the air conditioning? Everything okay? We begged for air conditioning and you finally put it in last week. Alright, the Drury Plaza Hotel, that was opened in 1929 out of the National Bank Building. The Drury folks renovated it in 2007, and part of that renovation was the renovation of the 1929 Alamo National Bank lobby. You like architectural style, and lobby. To our left, you'll have to go back to the street. Baptist Cathedral. First one laid in 1738. Sanctuary predates that by about 22 years, making it the oldest sanctuary cathedral in the nation. Very historic. That is one of the founding places in San Antonio. Still very active congregation. When you're in the original main town of San Antonio, Control Gate number 3, as we get straightened up and start headed downstream, look downstream, I think this is a little more picturesque and a very picturesque park. To our left, the beautiful Drury Inn and Suites. That building opened in 1921 as the San Antonio Utilities Company. Now, the irony is that it was the struggle one funded at 74, the Herald Center of the night, 1921. If you look up the first floor here, there are windows. Count with me, the bottom window, 2 windows, the transom, and then the 3rd window. The deck was wrong for 1921 was the transom between the 2nd and 3rd window. Nationally designated flood here in San Antonio, also the icon property. It was the first time federal government assisted local municipalities in flood relief. Our starboard. The Aztec Theater, unfortunately all you're going to be able to see is the big club. They're building the pavilions on the street there. It'll be hopefully open by this time next year so you can come by and get a cocktail, a hot chocolate, and watch the That's the second of our 3 docks. We'll be able to again tomorrow. This beautiful bridge until 1997 is always referred to as the movie star Jennifer Lopez was filmed here in San Antonio. This bridge is now often referred to as Salinas Bridge. That's beautiful. I'm going to Del Rio Hotel. That's a little bit neat. People three of us much smaller. Known as St. Mary's Convent for Boys. A boys' school much needed here in South Texas. It prospered, which is becoming St. Mary's University. The school of law was housed there until 1966 when the school consolidated in the west side of San Antonio, which stands today. Two along about that policy transformed into the La Maison Del Rio Hotel, opening it just in time for 1968. There. Now the corporation bought it in 2006. This about the street bridge is pretty common. There's cars going over the top of it, people walk across it, the undercarriage is pretty typical. However, this is American Bridge. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to come out to the other side of this bridge and communicate your attention to this on our left. And look all up there at the top of that building as we come out from under this bridge for a magical outdoor worship. Are you ready?
That's a yellow
Looks like a flat wall instead of a full building. The reason being, that hospital is different than if you hang over the ball at the street corner. That hospital opened in 1930. It was the first full-service hospital in Texas, one of the first in the nation. It had improvements in it like a valet parking and air conditioning. That building is beautiful air conditioning. And our Regency Hotel opened in 1981, 16 stories tall. My friends, if you're ever fortunate enough to stay in the High Regency in a room overlooking the river, seriously consider closing curtains after dark. You'll be surprised what photographs kids see from that river after dark. 16 stories, but shows many better hotels in the area. Reason being, we're in 80 car and 4 times a year in San Antonio. San Antonio has a board that's permitting any building passing a style of the alcohol, and that is about 6 16 stories. They focus in on the lobby and the atrium. If you look on the left side of both of those glass doors and glass walls in the lobby, you'll be able to see some water features that are residential. Is the viaduct the early settlers used to irrigate the ranches in Michigan.
Now, I think that.
To our right, the Casino Club building, the beautiful carved and painted and recessed brick dome, is the architectural feature of the Casino Club building. It was finished in 1927. Unfortunately, the club disbanded and didn't be together for about a century. Building changed hands in however in 1970, renovated the restaurant and retail space on the first two floors. Now that Taylor rules the world famous Golden Roof, was the tenant of the Casino Club. Our river which we're entering now is known as River Square, a place of retail, taverns, and restaurants. It's also a place where my Dutch friends Drake and Miller come this time of day to get some lunch. Doesn't matter where they're seated, they always order peanut butter. Even though I told them you can get Mexican food or Cajun food, or Mexican food or Italian food, or Mexican food or Texas barbecue. More Mexican food is all available and it's all delicious. How come you always get peanut butter? And Drake looked at me and he said, well, Mitch, we always get peanut butter because Drake's going to have their own crackers. You're welcome. That is the worst one right there. You survived it. Yes, sir. Thank you very much for that. There is the street. I always say that orange, reddish orange. It's going to be one of many pieces of public art here in San Antonio. That particular piece is called the Torch of the Friendship. It was a gift from the people of Mexico to the people of San Antonio. It was designed and created by the Mexican artist Sebastian and built it on site in sections in 2002. We come over to the historic Commerce Street Bridge on our right at Sausalito. In 1946, they were the first to offer riverside dining. They were also the first to offer riverboat rides and other boats and condoms. One was pushed around the long barrel. Really can't tell you folks how happy I am. You got beyond that.
Two big birds. Yeah.
Hacienda from its Costa is expanded as here on my right. That building out in Costa Rica stands on land for the 1777 land grant from the King of Spain. According to that local restaurant,
Oh, see,
very nice
also.
meal. Still see many of the original architectural moments from that Spanish colonial building. The San Antonio was preparing for the 1968 World Fair and quickly agreed that the Riverwalk would be a part of that celebration, so they made the man-made extension of the area to which we're re-entering now to connect the Riverwalk to the fairgrounds. The man-made extension is 4.5 feet deep. It's all concrete bottom. They call it the man-made extension because it extends the San Antonio River, and it's man-made. You're welcome again. Right out of there. You'll see the Marriott River Center Hotel. Finished in 1988. Before they could build the Marriott River Center Hotel, they had overcome the fact that the three-time hotel stood that hotel since 1906. It's historic standing permitted from being torn down even though it's severely failing at the time. To renovate it, to make it like the Marriott family was not with business plans, so they the only option left.
Let's get you one.
1985, after 5 years of study, they packed up that 16,000-ton building, put it on a flatbed truck with pneumatic tires, and over the next 6 days, Fort Rock on the way over South Street to where it stands in this moment. The Guinness Book of World Records has recognized the move of the Fremont, the largest building moved on pneumatic tires. On our the left side, you'll have to look back just a little. A beautiful neo-Gothic spire of St. Joseph's Catholic Church. Finished in 1868 by German immigrants out of the desire to have a place of worship in their native home. It too is still a very active congregation. Just check the website, visiting hours, and protocol. To our right, 750-foot tall Tower of the Americas, centerpiece of the 1968 World's Fair. The top of it is the top house restaurant that makes one complete revolution every hour. That's fast enough to have a nice meal. They all San Antonio in 10 hours, but not so fast that you need a driving mean for dessert. Just below the restaurant is an observation deck, and for $12 you can ride a glass panel elevator all the way up that observation deck. Or you can take the stairs. It's only 952 rooms. In 1981, the record time of those stairs was around to the observation deck was 75 minutes and 21 seconds. I'll never do that again. Before we make the big circle, we're going to be knocking a few moments of these things to make sure that you brought it with you. You take the cards, glasses, trash, drinking samples, sunglasses, and cameras, small children, spouses, grandparents, aunts, and uncles, nieces, and nephews, in-laws, outlaws, and sometimes beloved ex-laws. Now, if you want to have the least thing around there, we do have a wonderful online website. It's called
This size backpack. Thousands of folks have been my privilege to take on this story that you guys, and I do this from my heart to yours. You guys, without a doubt, are by far the most recent. You should take that with you. I'll remember this crew until I get the people on the phone. I bring the doc to every person. We're all get back someplace to talk about, someplace else here in San Antonio. Glad to help you find those locations. What's being due this town? Because it's all open. I appreciate it, man. You enjoyed yourself. Learned something and just for a job very well done. Be a tip drawing or something. You'd like to put something in it? Thanks for your service. Deeply appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.